This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we have new ROG STRIX SCAR 16 gaming laptop 2023 with the power of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 laptop GPU. In the box we get 330-watt charger to power this powerful laptop, and our laptop, which comes with Intel Core i9 13th gen processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 4TB PCIe Gen 4x4 storage, and triple fan cooling system, which keep this laptop cool. On the right side, we get two USB ports, and the left side we have a power connector, Ethernet port, HDMI, USB and Thunderbolt port and 3.5mm jack. Now let's activate this laptop. Now the laptop is finally on. So we are ready to play some games on it, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. First game we are going to play, The Last of Us, finally on PC. I heard many are having issues with The Last of Us PC version. Let's see if it's run properly on this SCAR 16 laptop. We are playing this game 2560 by 1600. Ultra graphics reset setting, DLSS performance, silent fan mode.
Jimmy, I am warning you. You have any idea what's going on out there?
Now the fan on turbo mode. By the way, I am not seeing any kind of lag or any kind of problem while playing this game.
Keep looking at me, baby. Don't look, Sarah. Over there. We're gonna get out of this. Move it! It's my daughter. I think her leg's broken. Stop right there!
GTA 5. 2560 by 1600. Very high graphics setting, and turbo fan mode. Cyberpunk, 2560 by 1600, Ray Tracing Ultra, DLSS off, DLSS frame generator off, and turbo fan mode. Call of Duty, 2560 by 1600, extreme graphic settings, DLSS performance and turbo fan mode.
Again. Victoria, je suis d'accord. Victoria, you are clear. You are clear. T'as ton tour, c'est ça? C'est bon maintenant? T'as compris?
Now let's see what happened when we turn off DLSS. Wow, we lose so many frames. So this is the power of DLSS.
Attack me! Throwing flash grenade!
No! No, bro!
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.